Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today we're going to break down how to write a P-1 visa application letter. If you are a professional athlete, entertainer, or part of a recognized team or group and need to travel to the US for a competition, performance, or event, applying for a P-1 visa is a crucial step. A strong, well-written application letter can make a significant difference in getting approval from US Citizenship and Immigration Services, or USCIS. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact structure of this letter, explaining each section in detail. So let's get started. Your contact information. The letter starts with your personal details at the top left of the page. This section includes your full name, your address, your city, state, and zip code, your email address, your phone number. This information ensures USCIS can easily identify the applicant and reach out if needed. For example, John Doe, 123 Main Street, Los Angeles, California, 90001. John Doe at email.com, 123-456-7890. Make sure this section is formatted clearly and professionally. Date. Next, include the date when you are writing this letter. This helps USCIS track when your application was submitted. The format should be March 30th, 2025. Place the date right below your contact details to maintain a formal and organized layout. USCIS Service Center address. Now address your letter to the correct USCIS Service Center. Use the official USCIS address where your application will be processed. It should be formatted like this: U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, or USCIS. USCIS address, city, state, zip code. This ensures that your application reaches the correct department without delays. Subject line, stating the purpose clearly. The subject line tells USCIS what your letter is about. It should be straightforward and informative. In this case, use subject P-1 visa. Application for athlete or entertainer or team name. This makes it immediately clear that the letter is part of a P-1 visa application. Salutation. Addressing USCIS properly. Since you may not know the name of the specific officer handling your case, the safest and most professional salutation is, "Dear Sir or Madam." This keeps the tone formal and appropriate for an official immigration document. Opening paragraph, introducing the application. The first paragraph should introduce the purpose of your letter. Clearly state that you are applying for a P-1 visa and mention your sponsoring organization or employer in the US. Here's a structured way to write this. I am writing to formally apply for a P-1 visa to enter the United States as a professional athlete or entertainer or member of a recognized team or group under the sponsorship of sponsoring organization or employer name. I have been invited to participate in event or tournament or performance name scheduled to take place from start date to end date at venue name and location. This paragraph immediately provides USCIS with key details, such as your visa type, reason for travel, event details, and sponsorship. Body paragraph 1, establishing your professional background. The next paragraph should provide details about your professional career and qualifications. You need to demonstrate that you are internationally recognized in your sport or entertainment field. A strong way to structure this paragraph is, I am currently affiliated with your team or organization name and have an established professional career in your sport or entertainment field. My accomplishments include briefly highlight your achievements, titles, championships, or recognitions, demonstrating my eligibility for the P-1 classification as an internationally recognized professional. Mentioning achievements such as championship titles, prestigious awards, or significant performances strengthens your case. The goal is to prove that you meet the requirements for the P-1 visa, which is granted to individuals with a distinguished reputation in their field. Body paragraph 2, stating the purpose of your visit. Here, clearly explain why you are traveling to the US and what you will be doing while there. Be specific about your planned events, performances, competitions, or tours. For example, the purpose of my visit is to compete in an event, participate in a tour, perform in concerts, or engage in other professional activities, as outlined in the accompanying supporting documents. I will be legally employed under name of U.S. employer or sponsoring organization, and all necessary contractual agreements and itinerary details are enclosed for review. This section reassures USCIS that your visit is legitimate and professionally organized. Body Paragraph 3, confirming compliance with visa regulations. USCIS needs to know that you understand and will comply with all immigration rules. This paragraph should address that directly. I fully understand and intend to comply with all U.S. immigration regulations. I will abide by the conditions of my visa and return to my home country upon completion of my scheduled engagements. This statement reassures USCIS that you do not plan to overstay your visa or violate immigration laws. Body Paragraph 4. Listing supporting documents. A well-supported application includes documents that verify your claims. In this paragraph, list the key documents you are submitting. Enclosed are all required documents, including a copy of my passport, contract or invitation letter from U.S. employer or organization, proof of professional achievements and international recognition, event itinerary and participation details, evidence of financial support during my stay in the U.S. Providing a clear list of supporting documents helps USCIS quickly verify your eligibility. Closing paragraph, making your final request. Your closing paragraph should politely request approval and offer to provide further information if needed. A professional way to phrase this is, I kindly request your consideration of my application and the approval of my P-1 visa to allow me to participate in this important professional engagement. Should you require any further information, please feel free to contact me at your contact information. This keeps the tone respectful and confident, while also showing your willingness to cooperate. Closing and signature. To end the letter formally, use, sincerely, your full name, your title or role, your team or organization name. This finalizes the letter professionally and leaves a strong impression. And that's it. You now have a complete and professional P-1 visa application letter that follows the exact format required by USCIS. Writing an immigration letter can seem intimidating, but following this structured approach will help you create a strong and persuasive application. Be sure to include clear, verifiable evidence of your achievements and keep your letter formal and well organized. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Writing Practices for more step-by-step writing guides. Also, let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another document you'd like me to cover in a future video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.